In this class, we are going to learn one more concept over here in the SQL workshop, that is the SQL script. We have to go to the navigation toolbar at the top and we have to select the SQL scripts within the SQL workshop. So SQL script, in short, this is used to create a script or a file by writing a PL/SQL block or a group of SQL statements in a file. So we can upload our own file over here. Just click on this and upload, choose the SQL file over here, give the name. Or we can create a new script over here by clicking on this create. Let me just click on this create. I will write over here one SQL statement. We have to select the ID, start, date, end, date, and the designation from our employees table which we created initially. Let me just format this, and if you want, you can make use of VS Code as well on your computer. I will click on this create. So before that, we have to give the name. I will tell employee details. Click on create. So before that, if you want to click on download or download this script, we can just click on this download. It will download the file, that is employee_detail SQL. So if you want to run straight away over here, you can run from here as well, but I will demonstrate other way. I will click on this create. So as soon as you click on create, now navigating from other tabs to the SQL script, it will list our script. I will go from the SQL workshop to SQL scripts. It will list our file or a script over here. So we can just click this and perform the actions like download, and we can see the data, so and so forth, or we can delete the checked files or the scripts over here. So but we want to run this and see our statement which we have written in the script. Click on this run. It gives us two options, that is to run now and cancel. I will tell run now. So it will tell how many records got processed statements and how many were successful. Suppose if there are any errors in your SQL statement, and it will highlight the errors over here. Now you might ask that I didn't see any details over here what my SQL query has written in the script. For that purpose, we have to click on this detail and click on go. So the information what it has generated by running the script, it is available over here. It has basically returned the ID, start date, end date, designation of the employees from our table using the script. Now let's go back to our SQL scripts. We had exported this or downloaded this script while creating. We can just upload by clicking on this upload and select the file, choose the file. My file is over here. Select this and click on open. I will name this as employee detail 01. And encoding I will leave default. Click on upload. So it will be listed as a second script over here in my SQL scripts after uploaded. It's over here and my name is employee detail 01. I will click on run. Click on run now. And I will click on detail, click on go. So it will show me all the details what it has executed with this query. So this will be handy if you are writing your SQL script outside of this Apex workspace, that is using the VS Code or any other tool locally on your computer and then importing it over here.